Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire cash how to get gold cards. So without wasting any time, just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is play tournaments and competition. Participate in tournaments. Some Solitaire cash apps offer tournaments where players compete for high scores. By performing well in these tournaments, you may unlock gold cards as a reward for ranking highly. Second is to complete daily tasks or challenges. Check if the game offers daily challenges. Completing these tasks sometimes reward you with gold cards. Special achievements. Some games reward players with gold cards for reaching certain milestones or completing achievements. Number third is to unlock through in-app progression. In many versions of Solitaire Cash, you can earn gold cards as a part of progression system. Number fourth is to purchase or buy gold cards. Some versions of Solitaire Cash allow you to buy gold cards directly through the store within the game. Look for promotional bundles or special offers within the game that include gold cards. Number fifth is special events and promotions. Keep an eye on special events or promotion within the game. Some apps run seasonal events where players can earn gold cards. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.